Hey guys, it's Mrs. Thompson. I thought it would be a good idea before summer break comes to make a video about letters and their letter sounds. So make sure you review this video, especially it might help you with word families when you have to sound out words like word family words. If you can practice your alphabet sounds, that will help you with sounding out words. So I'm going to make this video, all the letters are going to be out of order. And I'm going to use the Alpha Friend cards that we have. Okay, so we're going to get started. I says I for Iggy Iguana. I says I. A says ah. A says ah. D says d. D says d. J says j. M says M says N says n. O says ah. O says ah for octopus. P says p. P says p. B says b. B says b. Q says qua. K says k. L says ol. L says ol. C says k. R says R says S says S says S. T says t. T says t. U says U says V says v. V says v. F says f. F says f. G says g. G says g. H says h. H says h. W says w. W says w. X says x. X says x. Y says ya. Y says ya. Z says z. Z says z. Last one. E says eh. E says eh. Alright, that's the alphabet, all out of order using Alpha Friends. Okay, so make sure you review these over the summer so you can stay fresh on your letter sounds, because that's going to help you with word families when you sound out words. Okay, have a happy day. See you soon. Bye.